be making a beauty video. Instead, I'll be showing you how I make tasty rock buns. So if you want to see how I make this tasty treat, then come along and let me show you how. So let's get started. To make rock buns, I use 3 cups of flour, half cup of milk, 1 cup of brown sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a teaspoon and half of nutmeg, half cup of margarine, 1 large egg that I've beaten, a pack of coconut milk powder, 1 cup of raisins that have been pre-soaked, and a cup of coconut flakes. Now, if you're not able to get the organic coconut, then you can just buy coconut flakes at Walmart, and I'm using raisins from Sunmade. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pour the coconut milk powder onto the flour. Then I added the nutmeg powder and the baking powder. So I'm gonna use a wooden spoon and mix everything together for even distribution. And on to the next step. I'm going to add the margarine to the mixture. And in this step, I'm going to use my fingertips to rub the flour and the flour mixture and the margarine together, and I'm going to do that until the mixture resembles breadcrumbs. For this, you got to make sure that your hands are clean. If you have fingernails, then I suggest you use some gloves. So I blended the margarine into the flour, and this is what the mixture looks like. Next, I'm gonna add the raisins. You can add half cup of raisins, but I like a lot of raisins, so I used 1 cup. And here I'm adding the coconut flakes, 1 cup as well. The coconut flakes will help give some texture to the rock bun. And now I'm adding brown sugar. So I'm just gonna mix that up together. Stir it up, little darling, stir it up. Come on, baby, stir it up, little darling, stir it up. So my mixture is all stirred up, and now I'm going to prepare the liquids to add to that mixture. I've added the milk. If you don't have milk, you can use water, and then to the milk I added the vanilla, and now I'm adding the beaten egg. So I'm just gonna give that a little stir, because I'm gonna pour it into the dry mixture. Before I do that, I make a well into the mixture, and then I just poured it into the mixture, and I'm gonna take 2 forks and just blend everything together. If you feel as if the consistency is too dry, You may add a little bit more milk, or if you used water, you could add a little bit more water, because you want to get that consistency where you can easily drop them onto a cookie sheet or baking sheet. And this is what the mixture looks like when I finished blending everything together. So I've gone ahead and lined my baking sheet or baking tray with foil paper, and now I'm just going to take a spatula and drop the mixture onto the sheet. This recipe made 13 rock buns, so if you desire more than that, all you have to do is double the recipe and you could get up to 26 rock buns depending on how big you drop them. As usual, I want to say thanks guys for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for more interesting videos on my channel. Now that I've finished dropping them, I'm just gonna pop them into the oven and bake them for 30 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is the final look. This is how they look after baking: golden brown and crispy. If you're interested in getting this recipe, it will be up on my blog at beyoutifulbells.com. I'll be leaving a link down below in the description box. Thank you for watching, and feel free to share it and give me a thumbs up. Bye!